So see these all formulas. A is greater than 0, mod x is equal to a, then x is equal to plus or minus a. Mod x less than a, then minus a less than x less than a. Mod x less than or equal to a, then minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Mod x greater than a, then minus a greater than x greater than a. Mod x greater than or equal to a, then minus a greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to a. So solving problems we have to use these formulas. See this example. Solve modulus of x minus 3 less than or equal to 2. So this is in the form of like this formula. Okay, so apply that formula. Mod x less than or equal to a, then minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. So here a means this one, minus 2 less than or equal to x means x minus 3 less than or equal to 2. Okay, so we have to find x value. We have to remove minus 3. How to remove minus 3? Add plus 3 on both sides. Okay, add plus 3 means this one transport plus 3, x less than or equal to 2 plus, like this. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay, so if you take number line, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity, 1 and 5. So observe here. So x values are more than 1. More than 1 means like this side. So x values are less than 5. Less than 5 means, so x values are lies between 1 and 5 and included 1 and 5. So solution is x belongs to 1 comma 5 with closed. Okay, so one more example. Solve modulus of 3 minus 2x by 5 less than or equal to 10. So same here also. What is the formula? Mod x less than or equal to a, then solution minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Apply this formula. Minus 10 less than or equal to 3 minus 2x by 5 less than or equal to 10. So same here 3 remove, minus 10 minus 3 less than or equal to minus 2x by 5, 10 minus 3 plus 3 transpose minus 3. So minus 13 less than or equal to minus 2x by 5. Now we have to remove 5. How to remove here? Division. Multiply with 5. Okay, multiply with 5. Minus 3 into 5 less than or equal to minus 2x, 7 into 5. So minus 65 less than or equal to minus 2x less than or equal to 7 5 35. So minus 65 less than or equal to minus 2x less than or equal to 35. Okay, so remove negative also. If you remove negative, multiply with negative. So 65 becomes greater than or equal to 2x greater than or equal to minus 35. Again remove 2 also. Here multiply with x. How to remove 2? Division. 65 by 2 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to minus 35 by 2. Okay, so draw a number line plus infinity. So this is smaller value, minus 35 by 2, here 65 by 2. Okay, so x values are more than of minus 35 by 2. X value is more than, x greater than or equal to minus 35 by 2. More than means like this. So x values are smaller of 65 by 2. 65 by 2 greater than or equal to x. X values is smaller of 65 by 2. Smaller means, so x values are lies between minus 35 by 2 comma 65 by 2 and both are included. That is the solution. So